How to log in to Yahoo Japan. So if you want to log into your Yahoo Japan, then first of all open up a browser and then go for the search bar and search for Yahoo Japan. And here on the first search you will have www.yahoo.jp. Click on that first search and now it will take you to the website. So you can simply go for translation, which is here. You can go for your Google Translate and then you can translate it to your language, your preferred language. So I'll be choosing English. And then here to log into your account, you need to click on email, which is here on the upper right corner. Click on that email and now it will take you to the login page. So what you have to do is to log into your account. First you need to enter your Yahoo ID or your username, or you can also enter your email address. So I'll be choosing email address, and after entering your email address click on to the next. But if you have not created your account, then you can go for new acquisition and then you can create your account. But if you want to log in, then simply enter your email or your mobile number or your ID and then click on to the next. And here you need to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then here this is the forgot password option. You can simply click on forgot password and then you can reset or recover. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it and then you can go for login. And after clicking on login, you will be logged into your Yahoo Japan account. So that's it. That's how you log into your Yahoo Japan. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.